Greetings peeps, welcome back to the Cooking Cop and Babe channel. I'm Mitch Hightower. Josh and Babe invited me back to serve as their guest host this week for another installment of hashtag the Cooking Cop and Babe channel takeover. So today, I'm going to show you how to make two festive holiday cocktails we call the Hanukkah Martini and the Christmas Martini. To make the Hanukkah Martini, you'll need 4 ounces sapphire gin, 1 ounce extra dry vermouth, 1 ounce blue curacao, 3 small cocktail olives, and 1/8 teaspoon silver cocktail glitter. Cocktail glitter is actually luster dust. This is a product you may recognize if you bake or do cake decorating. You can find cocktail glitter / luster dust anywhere you buy cake decorating supplies, as well as online. Of course, this ingredient is optional. I'm using it because I think the shimmer effect it creates is really cool. And I happen to know Babe loves a bit of sparkle in her cocktails. To begin, I'm going to prepare the garnishes. Today, I'm using small cocktail olives rather than large ones because I plan to place 3 on each cocktail pick. In cocktail lore, 3 garnishes is considered good luck. I simply skewered the olives on pretty jewel cocktail picks so the garnishes are ready to go as soon as the drinks are poured. Now it's time to mix the cocktails. To make the Hanukkah Martini, I'm going to fill a cobbler-style cocktail shaker half full with ice cubes. I'm using an 18-ounce, 3-part cobbler-style cocktail shaker. Time to add the gin. I'm using sapphire gin because I really like how pronounced all the botanicals are. Time for the vermouth. Vermouth is a fortified wine. That means a distilled spirit has been added, usually brandy. Next, add the blue curacao. Blue curacao is an orange-flavored liqueur. Be sure to use a blue curacao that is naturally flavored, otherwise your cocktails will taste artificial, like baby aspirin. And finally, if you're using it, add the cocktail glitter. For the Hanukkah Martini, I'm going to shake the mix. Place the strainer and the cap on the shaker very securely. Then give the mix a really good shake. Shake the cocktail mixture vigorously until the shaker becomes very cold. That will only take about 8 to 10 seconds. Now it's time to pour. I'm serving the Hanukkah Martini in an 8-ounce martini-style cocktail glass. Ooh, fabulous blue color. And plenty of sparkle from the cocktail glitter. To finish the presentation, I'm adding the olive garnish I prepared earlier. And voila! The Hanukkah Martini is ready to serve. Ooh, The mix for the Christmas Martini is just slightly different than the mix for the Hanukkah Martini. To make the Christmas Martini, you'll need 4 ounces sapphire gin, 1 ounce extra dry vermouth, 1/2 ounce blue curacao, 1/2 ounce Midori melon liqueur, 3 small cocktail olives, and 1/8 teaspoon silver cocktail glitter. For this version, I'm using a mixing glass filled halfway with ice cubes. First, I'm going to add the gin. Next, the vermouth, followed by the blue curacao and the melon liqueur. And finally, the cocktail glitter. Now I'm using a long-handled bar spoon to stir the ingredients together. You can make your martinis by shaking or stirring. It's really just a matter of personal preference. Now it's time to pour. And to make that happen, I'm going to employ a Hawthorne-style strainer placed inside the mixing glass. Ooh, gorgeous green color. And I'll finish off the Christmas Martini with the olive garnish. And here we are, a gorgeous green martini for the holidays. I think both of these shimmery, colorful cocktails look quite festive. Now my favorite part of the video, it's time for a taste test. I'm joined for the taste testing segment by my partner, Chef Philip.
Hello everyone!
So, here we have a Hanukkah Martini and a Christmas Martini.
Cheers!
Let's give these lovely cocktails a taste.
That's really good.
This is a really good combination of flavors. I get the melon and the orange. It plays very nicely with the botanicals from the gin.
It's sweet, but not too sweet, and I love the shimmer.
The shimmer effect is supremely cool. It's like liquid emeralds in a glass.
I want to try that one.
I want to try that one.
Okay.
We're gonna trade. Thank you.
Ooh,
and here's to you.
That's pretty green.
Ooh, I love the pretty blue. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.
Yeah, I like the melon in this one.
This is really good too. I love the orange with the botanicals from the gin. The juniper and the orange play really nicely together.
Christmas in a glass.
And Hanukkah over here. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash the like button. And if you're not already subscribed to the Cooking Cop and Babe channel, hit that red subscribe button and the bell symbol. And please consider leaving kind messages in the comments section below. I know Josh and Babe will really appreciate your support. And stay tuned. Next time, another popular YouTube personality will be guest hosting as part of hashtag the Cooking Cop and Babe channel takeover. If you'd like to check out the channel where I usually work, there is a link in the description box right below this video. Thank you so much for watching, and many thanks for having us back, Josh and Babe.
Happy holidays.
Don't drink and drive.